What if I told you that your Android phone has a secret built-in left-handed mode that most people don't know about? I will show you how to unlock a hidden menu and flip your entire layout, also known as RTL, right to left layout on Android. First things first, you need to enable the developer options on your smartphone. You simply need to tap on your settings application, and then here you need to scroll down to where you will see about your phone. Usually for most of the phones, it is down here. You should see system or about phone, and then tap on it, and then go to software information, and somewhere on the list you will see build number. You need to tap on it 7 times. As for Xiaomi phones, you simply need to click on the about phone. It's the first option on your settings, and then tap on the MIUI version 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should bring you a notification that you are now a developer. Okay. After enabling the developer options, you need to go back, and on the settings you need to search for RTL, and then search for it, and the search results should bring you something like this. You need to tap on it, and it will take you to your developer options where you will see this section called drawing. You need to toggle on the force RTL layout direction. Toggle on, and everything that was on the right should move on the left, and what was on the left should move on the right. Okay, and note that this layout will affect some apps, okay, such as TikTok, such as WhatsApp. Just ensure that you familiarize yourself with the layout and be comfortable with it. See you on the next one, and be productive.